What's up, y'all? It's your boy, the House of Bullies. House of Bully Kimmels, y'all. House of Bully Kimmels. About to get these thugs a bath, wash them up, clean them up, get them real good smelling, get them clean. You know they be out running around in the yard. Got that yard smelling all that on them. I'm going to do the girls first. And then I'm going to do the boys next. I'm going to tell y'all something. Hey, y'all, a little secret on something that's real good to use to get your dogs bath and wash them up with. I'm trying to tell you. I'm not promoting them or nothing. But this right here, get your dogs the best clean and shining coat, and they get them nice and clean and good. As far as their skin, I'm telling you, it's better than any shampoo they got out there. And it also, soap and water kill fleas. So if they got, my dogs don't, but I'm saying soap and water alone kill fleas. So if they got fleas on them, this is definitely get them off. I'm just going to take care of everything. So I'll do these two first.
Order online at LitoPizza.com. Lido Pizza never cuts corners. Join the Y by September 12th to skip and swim, work out, and connect with friends. 11 locations, no contract, and now no join fee. We're easy. Join by September 12th to save. Go to joinymarijuana.org. Get ready for the ultimate autumn excitement at Pimlico's Fall Meet from September 8th to 24th. Indulge in the irresistible flavors of bourbon and barbecue right at the track, creating an unforgettable experience for your taste buds. But that's not all. Mark your calendars for 2 thrilling stakes weekends where a staggering $925,000 in total purses are up for grabs. Join us at Pimlico's Fall Meet for heart-pounding races, mouth-watering delights, and a chance to win big. Learn more at Pimlico.com. That's Pimlico.com. See you there.
This is an important notice to consumers facing $10,000 or more in credit card debt, medical bills, or other unsecured debt. You may not be required to pay it all back because there are special programs now in effect that will significantly reduce the amount you will owe if you qualify. This is not bankruptcy or a debt consolidation loan. These programs, which the credit card companies like to keep secret, exist to aid American consumers struggling with overwhelming credit card debt by offering tremendous savings and real debt relief. Accredited Debt Relief has established a special hotline for you to call and learn what savings you qualify for. They've helped qualify consumers with over $1 billion in debt and are A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. So don't wait. Get the relief you need during these hard economic times. For this free information, call the Accredited Debt Relief Hotline now. Call 800-856-6500. 800-856-6500. That's 800-856-6500.
Both of them together, you feel me?
A lot of schools talk about training the cybersecurity workforce of the future, but do they really deliver? My Computer Career has been supplying the IT workforce with thousands of skilled, certified pros for 15 years. Train with the experts in support, networking, or cybersecurity, and start your career in months, not years. Upskill even faster. On campus or live online. Qualified students may get financial aid, including the GI Bill. My Computer Career. Accredited, acclaimed, effective. Take the free career evaluation at mycomputercareer.edu. Agnes was in deep trouble with the IRS.
I owed the IRS a lot of money.
She found out about Optima Tax Relief.
They guaranteed that they were going to help me out the best that they can. And they did.
Optima stopped the IRS.
Optima Tax took care of everything.
Are you in deep trouble with the IRS? You might want to listen to Agnes.
You only need a little.
Optima Tax Relief.
You only need a
Call
little.
Optima right now for your free consultation. Call 800-569-4435. 800-569-4435. Optima Tax Relief.
Make sure you get all of the
Attention, man. There's breaking news in the world of male enhancement pills. So, please listen. Want to improve your performance in the bedroom and be confident to score a 10 out of 10 with your partner? By now, you've probably heard about Noxitril, the award-winning all-natural male enhancement pill that works on demand. After years of developing and fine-tuning this all-natural male pill, we've learned a lot. Our scientifically engineered formula has a proprietary blend of the finest clinically tested ingredients that increase nitric oxide to open blood flow fast. That's why we've sold millions of pills. And satisfied Noxitril users smile and nod their heads when they hear it's like that little blue pill on steroids. Now's the perfect time to try Noxitril. There is no risk, so call and find out how you can get a free bottle.
Call right now to get your free supply. Call 800-779-1725. That's 800-779-1725.
$17.25. It's like Viagra or steroids. Improve your sex life. Get your free supply. Call 800-779-1725. That's 1-800-779-1725.
They love it. Look. She opened up her leg. Look. You see my baby leg. She opened it up so I can get that new spot I need to get. She love it. Y'all hit that like button, subscribe, comment. Let me know what y'all think. Give me y'all suggestions, everything. Whatever y'all want to know. Y'all next, just ask questions. Drop it in the comment. I'm going to do these 4 and I get back at you. Peace and blessing, my kings and queens.